Hey human! In today's vlog, I'm serving up a promise, a vibrant, nutritious, and absolutely stunning salad that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Let's dive into this beautiful bowl, starting with this Savvo cabbage. It is a leafy powerhouse that's loaded with fiber to support digestion and keep your gut happy. It's also rich in vitamin C and K, which helps boost your immune system and strengthen your bones. Savvo cabbage is like the quiet achiever of your plate, working its magic from inside out. Next up, carrots. Those crunchy orange germs that are packed with beta carotene, your body converts into vitamin A, which helps improve your vision, supports your immune system, and keeps your skin glowing. I like. Plus, they add a delightful crunch that makes every bite a joy. Yep, we have a star of this show. Did I just say star? No, we have stars of this show. Why are they stars? Hang on. You're gonna see them in a minute. Of course, I'm talking about the bell peppers. A rainbow of colors that bring their own unique benefits. Let's start with the green bell peppers. Did you know that they all individually have their benefits? Green bell peppers are rich in fiber and vibrant in vitamin K, promoting your bone health and helping you with blood clotting. Wow. Red bell peppers are antioxidant champions. They are loaded with vitamin C to keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Yellow bell peppers bring a sunny dose of vitamin E, which helps your skin stay youthful and radiant. How about the orange? Orange bell peppers are like little bursts of happiness, high in carotenoids to boost your eye health and reduce inflammation. As I chop each one meticulously, it's impossible not to admire their vibrant hues. Imagine all that beauty working its magic inside your body, fighting off free radicals, nourishing your cells, and filling you with energy. You're wondering why choose the salad lifestyle. Salads are more than just a meal. They're a celebration of health, flavor, and versatility. So incorporating fresh vegetables into your diet helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and provides essential vitamins and minerals. The natural hydration from veggies keeps your skin glowing and your mind sharp, your body functioning at its best. But here's the secret: salads are not just about staying healthy, They're about enjoying the process of nourishing yourself. The colors, the textures, the flavors, they all come together to create a meal that's as exciting to make as it is to eat. To elevate the flavor, I add fresh basil, an aromatic herb that's not just delicious but also packed with antioxidants to support your overall health. A sprinkle of black pepper adds a gentle kick. While a drizzle of honey ties everything together with a hint of sweetness. And now the grand finale, the juiciest, most tender beef, dunked in with all its savory juices. This protein-packed addition makes the salad a hearty, satisfying meal that fuels your body and keeps you feeling full and energized. So let's embrace the salad lifestyle, one crunchy, vibrant bowl at a time. Trust me, your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. What do you think? Ready to give this a try? Let's keep the promise of health and flavor alive. I'll see you in my next video.